Welcome to Billion Farms. Elevate your farming business with innovation and technology. In today's rapidly evolving agricultural landscape, staying ahead of the curve is crucial. At Billion Farms, we bring you the latest insights and advancements in farming. Our platform is a hub of information and inspiration for farmers everywhere. From cutting-edge technology to innovative farming techniques, we cover it all. Join us as we delve into the world of profitable farming businesses. We bring you expert advice and insights from industry leaders. Learn from the best and apply their strategies to your own farming operations. Our mission is to empower farmers with the information they need to thrive. Innovation is at the heart of everything we do. Discover how advancements in agricultural technology can help you increase efficiency, reduce costs, and improve productivity. Welcome to Billion Farms. Elevate your farming business with innovation and technology, explore trends, share success stories, and create a sustainable future. Welcome to Billion Farms. Stay tuned as we explore the top 5 most profitable farming businesses. Whether you're a seasoned farmer or just starting out, there's something here for everyone. Let's get started. Number 5, cattle. With high demand for beef, cattle farming can bring in significant profits. Additionally, dairy farming is another lucrative aspect, providing milk, cheese, and other dairy products. Different breeds like Angus, Hereford, and Holstein are popular for their meat and milk production. Proper feeding practices, including a balanced diet of grains and forage, ensure healthy and productive cattle. The market demand for beef and dairy products remains strong, offering consistent revenue streams. Cattle farming also offers opportunities in breeding and selling calves, making it a versatile and profitable farming business. Number 4, pigs. Pork is in high demand, making pig farming a lucrative opportunity. With proper care and management, pig farming can yield significant profits. The market for pork products continues to grow, ensuring steady income for pig farmers. Additionally, advancements in breeding and nutrition have made pig farming more efficient and profitable than ever before. Number 3, goats. Versatile and in demand, goat farming can bring in substantial profits. From milk and cheese production to meat and fiber, goats offer multiple revenue streams. They are relatively easy to care for and can thrive in various environments, making them a smart choice for farmers looking to diversify their income. Number 2, sheep. With the growing demand for wool and meat, sheep farming is a smart investment. Wool is a natural, renewable resource ideal for clothing and carpets. It's durable and biodegradable, making it eco-friendly. Lamb is rich in flavor and nutrients, a staple in many cultures. Innovations in farming ensure delicious, sustainable meat. Sheep grazing helps manage land, reduce wildfires, and improve soil health. They thrive in diverse environments, making them practical for farmers. Number 1, fish. Aquaculture is on the rise, offering a sustainable solution to meet global seafood demand. Fish farming can be done in various environments, from freshwater ponds to coastal waters. This method provides a steady supply of fish, such as salmon, tilapia, and catfish, which are rich in omega-3 fatty acids and essential nutrients. Advances in technology ensure efficient, eco-friendly practices, reducing the strain on wild fish populations. Fish farming not only supports food security but also creates jobs and boosts local economies.